Atta girl, sit up real tall. Kiss, little left leg. Good. Bump him in a little. Bump. Good. Good, Carrie. Keep going. Loosen your rein. Outside leg it. Kick him in the belly. There we go. Let's get a little faster. Good. That's it. Kiss. If you squeeze, he's going to get too slow. So heels down. Stay quiet. Good. Let's go back to the jog. Jog. Let's get his attention a little bit. Straight. Find a straight line, okay? I want you to looking up. Make Gilford go straight. Good. Keep going. Now turn and go straight again. You need a little more pace. Good. Eyes up. Good. Now stop. Squeeze. Stop and pat him.